Hi, boys and girls. We are going to do 10 frame matching. Oh, can you hear that helicopter that's flying by my house? It's kind of silly. Sorry, it's kind of loud too. So we're going to match the 10 frames to find the partner that will fill in the missing spots. So if I look at the first 10 frame, how many dots do I have? 8, good. And how many dots are missing? 2, good. So can you find the 10 frame on the second side that has 2 dots and draw a line? Good. So it's this one right here. So we're going to write that addition problem. 8 plus 2 equals what? Yeah, it's 10. These are 10 friends. So look at the next one. We're going to look at this one right here. How many dots does it have? Good, it has 6. And how many spots are missing? 4. Very good. So we're going to match it with the 10 frame that has 4. Good. So we're going to write 6 plus 4 equals 10. Good. So I want you to find on your own the 10 frames that match with the 1, the 3, and the 5. And then when you're finished, you can push play and we'll start the back side together. So go ahead and push pause and finish the 1, 3, and 5, and then push play for the back side. All right, boys and girls, here we go on the back side. We're going to keep going with our addition facts plus 3. So you can use your number line or you can use your dots. So remember, we say the first addend is 4, and then we draw 3 dots and we count that. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. So 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. 9 plus 3, we say 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. And we keep going. Well, 1 plus 3 we already know because that's just a plus 1. So we just go to the next numbers. 4. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Good. 2 plus 3, we know that one. We don't need dots for that one. And 7 plus 3, that's a 10 friend. Good job. All right. I want you to finish this side. You can use your number line or the dots. And then when you're finished, do what it is that your teacher would like you to do next. Good job, boys and girls.